Hey Polk Nation, Jonathan Chavarria here. I'm a pipe fitter lead man at Polk Mechanical. I'm currently at DLR Data Center. In our upcoming honing skills workshop, we'll be focusing on knowing your hydronic piping equipment connections, not just how to install them. First, let's put on our PPE. Now that we're properly protected, we're going to identify our coil. We have a left hand and right hand coil for airflow on a VAV. In order to choose either the left hand or the right hand coil, we must pay attention to the direction of airflow, which typically our bottom would be for our supply and our top will be for our return. Here we have a coil kit which is made up of a strainer, balancing valve, Pete's plugs, oscillation valves, and flex connections. Each of these balancing valves is specifically designed for a VAV coil. Make sure your VAV coil number matches with your control valve. This is based on a certain GMP, which is gallons per minute. Come join us for our honing skills workshop on August 20th from 8 a.m. to noon. We'll be covering hydronic piping assemblies. Don't forget your PPE.